Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you exactly how to delete Google Tag Manager from Shopify. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. First of all, open Tag Manager on your web browser. Here are your accounts. For example, demo and test accounts are shown here. Click on the three dots in front of the account name in which account you want to delete Google Tag Manager. Click on Account Settings. Account settings have been shown here. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and select Delete. Are you sure you want to delete the account? So click on Delete. Visitors to your website will no longer be served tags from within this container in this account. Go back and see your account has been deleted. That's how you can delete Google Tag Manager from Shopify. Click the link given in the description box to create your account. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.